Today we're going to be setting up the drivers and the print settings for our Epson Ecotank printer. And this is going to be for our sublimation. So first we want to start off by searching the Epson website. Because I'm in Canada, I'm using .ca, but if you're in the States, which you probably are, you can use .com. I'm going to go to Support, Printers, and then we're going to search for our printer, and it's an Ecotank 2750. Now we've got our Ecotank. I'm going to be picking the 64-bit, that's the computer that I have. And I'm going to choose the combo pack because it has some extras in it that I might need later. So I'm going to go to download. So now we've got that. We want to click open. And we're going to set this up. Click OK. And go through, read the agreement, accept. Okay, and we are just going to let all the defaults stand. We're going to click install. Would you like to install the Epson Customer Research? No. And this is going to download our drivers. And there's more installing screens, so it'll take a few minutes to get all this downloaded and installed. Okay, so now we're going to begin the printer setup, and we're going to follow the step-by-step instructions as noted here. Click Next. Okay, and here we've done the ink charging already in the previous video. If you haven't watched that, please check it out. There's a link down below. I'll also leave a card in the upper right-hand corner of this video if you want to check that out. So right now we're going to click, because we have confirmed the ink is charged. We're going to click Next. Our connection is going to be a wireless connection because I'm not going to be connecting it to my computer directly. So we'll click Wireless and Next. And the printer needs to be set up for the first time, so we'll click that. And Next. We'll use the recommended. Next. And just follow these instructions. You're going to press Home, then press the right arrow button until the settings is selected. Press OK. Then we're going to press the right arrow until Network Settings and then click OK. We're going to press the arrow for Wi-Fi setup and press OK. Then we're going to click the right arrow again to Wi-Fi Auto Connect. Then we're going to press OK. And once we've done that, we're going to click Next. Now it says here, follow the instructions on the LCD screen, and then we click Next, but we have to do that within 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we'll click Next. Now it's going to continue setting up. and we'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, we are going to print a test page. So we're just going to use some plain copy paper so we don't use up our sublimation paper. And we'll click Print Test Page. Okay, so now I have printed out something that says, "Congratulations, you've successfully installed your new printer." So yay, we did it. So now we are going to click Next. And it's just checking for firmware, just in case yours didn't do that. Okay, now if you hadn't before, you should register your printer here. I have already registered mine, so I'm going to go down here and click Decline. Here, I'm not going to install the Epson email print or the Google Cloud print because I'm only using this Ecotank printer for sublimation. I don't need to be printing from a cloud or the email, so we're just going to uncheck those and click Next. And now your setup is complete. We're going to exit, and now we are done installing our drivers, and our Epson Ecotank is now ready for sublimation. So keep watching. I will be posting more sublimation projects as time goes on. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this helped you set up your printer. Bye for now.